Hello guys, welcome to Core and YouTube channel. In today's video, we will going to see SKILLRACK today's daily challenge and daily test solution. So first we are going to see daily challenge. Daily challenge question: they given a program that contains a logical error. So we need to identify that logical error and rectify it. So and the question is: so the input of the program is integer n, and the program must print the all odd factor of n separated by a space. So this is our program. So here is our logical error. So in question here they given n, so we need to replace the n to CTR value. So why? Because if we found the CTR value is a factor of n, then we going to check the CTR value is odd number or even number. So if it is an odd number, we going to print that odd number. So we need to replace the n value to CTR value. And this program contains only one logical error. So that's it. So now we are going to see a daily test solution. So this is our daily test question. So in this question they given an integer x as an input. So we need to convert the given integer x to minimum possible integer y. So using this following three conditions. So the first condition is we can choose any digit from integer x. So if we choose the digit, we need to replace the digit with 9 minus d value. So and the second condition is the y should not contain any leading zeros. And in third condition, the number of digits in x and y should be equal. So under the boundary condition is the x range between 1 to 10 power 7. This today's daily test question is similar to August 28 daily challenge question. So this is August 28 daily challenge question. I also add this daily challenge solution in the iCard. So before watching today's daily test solution, please watch this daily challenge solution. Now we move back to our daily test solution. So to solve today's daily test, I am going to consider a second test case as input. So the second test case x value is 4, 5 and 4, 5. Take first digit and replace the first digit values is 9 minus 4, 5. So if I compare the previous value and the current updated value, so the updated value is greater than the previous value. So I did not going to update it. So I going to leave first digit as it is. So that is 4. So then I going to take second digit 5. So now I replace the second digit. So it's 9 minus 5. So the result is 4. So now I'm going to compare the update value and the previous value. So the updated value is smaller than the previous value. So I need to update the current digit. So and I move to third digit. So if I replace the third digit with 9 minus 4, 5, the updated value is greater. So I need to consider third integer as before. So that's 4. And I going to compare. Now I am going to take a fourth digit. So fourth digit value is 5. So if I replace the 5, 9 minus 5 is 4. So the updated value is less than the previous value. So I need to update the current digit. After check all the value, we need to print the output. So if you see this value and the second test case output value is same. So our logic is correct. So now I am going to take a custom random test case value. So the value is 9, 8 and 0, 9. So in this test case same as the logic before use. So in this value I am going to use the same logic. So I am going to replace my first digit. So that is 9 minus 9 is 0. Now I am going to compare the updated value and the previous value. So if I compare the updated value, so the updated value is small. So but in the second condition they says the updated y value should not contain any leading zeros. What we do? So we can use if condition to avoid it. If the updated value contain leading zero, I should not take the current digit. So I leave the current digit as it is. So I am going to take second digit. So that is 8. So 9 minus 8 the value is 1. So and for third digit 9 minus 0 the value is 9. So it is greater value. So I need So I did not going to update my current digit. So and 9 for fourth digit 9 minus 9 is 0. So this is our final answer. If you look closely, we update a value which is greater than 4, and for excluding first digit. So for first digit, we update our first digit if the value is greater than 4 and smaller than 9. So using this logic, we are going to build our code. So I already written the code. So in this line, I am going to get the input from user. So and store the input value n as a string value. So if we use string, we can easily manipulate our value. In this if condition, I check if the first digit of n is greater than 4 and smaller than 9. So if this condition is true, then I need to update my first digit. So the first digit value is 9 minus first digit. So and I also add this character 0. So because the result of this evaluation is a integer value, so we need to convert that integer value to character value. So that I add this 0 character. So and after checking first digit, we are going to check rest of the digit. So I use a for loop to check rest of the digit. So if the rest of the digit is greater than 4, we need to update the digit using the same logic in the above if condition. Now I am going to print the output. So that's all about today's daily test. Thanks for watching. Bye.